Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quick Math. In today's class, let us solve few more MCQ questions from the chapter Arithmetic Progression, which is based on SSLC Board Exam 2021. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. Let us solve the first question from today's class. If the nth term of a sequence is n plus 1, then the second term of the sequence is. So this is your nth term. That means they have given you an. You have to find out the second term. That is, here an is what is given as n plus 1. So straight away they have asked you to find the second term. Then you can write a2 is equal to 2 divided by 2 plus 1. So 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 2 by 3. So where is 2 by 3? The option D is the right answer. The next question, the nth term of 135 is dash dash dash. You have to find out the nth term. That means the sequence is given. You have to find out the nth term. So we know A, we know D, and we have to find out the nth term. So directly you know from the formula list what is nth term formula. That is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. So the nth term we have to find out. What is a? 1 plus n we don't know, and D is 2. So 1 plus 2 into n, 2n, plus into minus minus 2. So 2n minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So here where is the option? It is in B. So the B option is the right answer. Let us solve the next question. The first four terms of the sequence whose an is equal to 2n plus 3 are, and these are the options given. So what is given in the question? That is an is equal to 2n plus 1. The equation is given and we need to find out a1, a2, a3 and a4. So now let us take the equation, that is an is equal to 2n plus 3. So a1 let us take as 2 into 1 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 it gives you 5. Similarly, an is equal to 2n plus 3. So it is a2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3. So that gives you 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 7. So a3 is equal to 2n plus 3. So 2 into 3 plus 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 3 gives you 9. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So now where is the option? That is 5, 7, 9 and 11. 5, 7, 9, 11 is the C option is your right answer. The next question, if an is equal to 5n plus 1, then an plus 1 is. That means you have to find out an plus 1. So what is given? The given equation. So equation is what? An is equal to 5n plus 1. You have to find out what? An plus 1. You have to find out. That is n plus 1 the term you need to find out. So that is in place you write down n plus 1 plus 1. 5 into n is 5. N plus into plus is plus. 5 odds are 5 plus 1. So 5n plus 6 is your answer. The option is B is the correct answer. Let's solve the next question. The first term of the sequence whose nth term an is equal to 3 to the power of n minus 1 is. So that means again here see the equation is given and that means the first term you need to find it out. That is an is given and a is given. So here you have to find out a and your nth term is 3 to the power of n minus 1. So the given equation is a to the power an is equal to 3 to the power of n minus 1. You have to find out first term, that means it is 1, a1. So it is 1 minus 1. So 3 to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 to the power of 0 is 1 because of law of exponents, that is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So the one option is here. So we can take the option B. in 3, 8, 13, 18, find A and D. It is a very simple question. So they have given you the sequence, you have to find out A and D. As you know, we know the first term, that is A1, that is 3. That is itself our A. We got A. Now we have to get D. What is D? That is A2 minus A1. A2 is 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So 3 and 5 is your correct answer. So the option is C. 3 and 5 is your right answer. Let's do the next sum. The AP in which AN is equal to 2n plus 1 is dash, and your options are given. So here the equation is given. So we have to find out the AP. AP means we need to find out the terms. One plus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1. It is 3. So AN is equal to 2n plus 1. N value you can take it as 2. So that is 2 2s are 4 plus 1. It is 5. Then next AN is equal to 2n plus 1. So n value I am taking as 3. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. Next AN is equal to 2n plus 1. N value I am taking as 4. So 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. So here 3, 5, 7, 9. So the B option is the correct answer. Let's do the next one. The nth term of an AP is dash. So the options are given. So this question is based on the formula. So where we have learned in the formula list. So that means the nth term formula we need to identify. So the nth term formula here, the right is A plus n minus 1 into D. So the option B is the correct answer. Next question. The first term of an AP is 3. CD is 5. The nth term is what? So let's identify the question. So here they have asked you the first term. That means A is 3, D is 5 and nth term. That means the AN you have to find it out. So as we know A and D. So nth term means AN formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D is 5. So 3 plus 5 into n, it is 5n minus 5. So 5n minus 2. 5 minus 3 is minus 2. 5n minus 2 is B option is the correct answer. Let's find the next question. The first term of the sequence whose nth term is 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. The first term, that means we have to find out A is what? So the nth term means again A is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. So we have to find out A, that means A1 is equal to 5 plus 1 minus 1 into 3. So 5 plus 1 minus 1 is 0 to 3. So 5 plus 0 3 is a 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So the option C is the correct answer. Let us solve the next question. In an AP, AN is equal to half into n plus 3, then D is equal to what? So we know AN, we don't know D, we don't know A1, A2. Because to find out D, we should know A1 and A2. So now the equation is given, that is AN is equal to half into n plus 3. So here let us take A1, that is half into 1 plus 3. So half into 3 plus 1 is 4. So 2 goes in 4 2 times. So it is 2. A1 is 2. Now let us find out the next term, that is A2. So half into 2 plus 3. So half into 2 plus 3 is 5. So half into, that is, it will be 5 by 2. So A2 is 5 by 2. Now we'll find out the D. D is nothing but A2 minus A1. So A2 is 5 by 2 minus A1 is 2. So since this is a fraction and this is a whole number, I'll make this also a fraction number. So let us take the LCM as 2. 2 goes into 1 time. So I'll write here 1 goes into 2 times. So I'll write here 2. 5 ones are 5 minus 2 twos are 4. So 5 minus 4 is nothing but half. So half is the answer is plus half we are getting. So D is the right answer. Let us do the next question. Which of the following are AP? So AP means you have to find out the 4 terms where the difference is same. So they have given you the 4 terms. You have to find out whether in which option the difference is same. So first option we will take, that is 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7. So now here you have to find out D is equal to A2 minus A1. So your A2 is 5 by 2 minus 2. So you take LCM, that will become, goes 1 time, this goes 2 times, 5 ones are 5 minus 4. So this is half. Similarly, I will do it for D is equal to A3 minus A2. So A3 is 3 minus 5 by 2. So again you make it denominator as 1, LCM as 2, 1 goes into 2 times, 2 goes into 1 time, 3 2s are 6, 5 ones are 5. So again the difference is half. Now D is equal to A4 minus A3. So A4 is 7 minus 3. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 3. So here also I will take the denominators. The LCM is 2. 2 goes into 1 time, 1 goes into 2 times. So 7 ones are 7, 3 2s are 6. Here we have solved for each term, for each number we have found out the difference. So we are getting the difference everywhere half. So among these 4 options we have to select the option which is correct. So we've got for all difference is same. So I can take the answer A. Let's solve the next question. If A, B, C are in AP, then A minus B divided by B minus C is what? Here in the previous questions they had given the numbers, that is the constant values they had given, but now they had given in variables. So how can you solve when they given in the variables? So first let us understand the question. They have given you the variable as A by B divided by B minus C is what you have to find out. Here your terms are in variable, that is A, B, C. So you cannot substitute in place of A or in place of B. So what can we do? For that I will give you one small example. So like in the previous questions you had seen the sequence in the constant values. So for this what did we do? We found out the difference. So how did we find the difference? We took A2 minus A1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Similarly here if I take these 2 terms, that is 3 minus 2, the difference is 1. So what are the difference here? In all the cases it is 1. So from this example we can solve this question. That is when there is the difference between the 2 consecutive term is always 1. That is always what you should understand, the difference between the 2 consecutive terms is always 1. Okay, so for that what do we do? Now this is in the variable, this also is a consecutive variables. So A, B, C, that means it is also 1. For that we can say A minus B divided by B minus C is always 1. So the option A is the correct answer. Let us solve the next question. If an is equal to 4n square minus 1 and tn is equal to 35, then n is what? So now on we are starting with little bigger sums. So let the different sums from the previous questions. So now here the given equation is an is equal to 4n square minus 1. And here the value of an is given. Tn is nothing but you can write it as an. An is 35. So we can write an as 35. That is 4n square, n value we don't know. So we can write it. So now this is the constant terms. So we can bring it to the one side. Minus 1 I'll bring it to that side. So it became plus 1. So 4n square remains in the same side. So this is 36 is equal to 4n square. So now we don't want 4n square, we wanted only n square. So what are we doing? We are bringing down this 4 down. So that becomes n square. So now we don't want n, that is 4 goes in 36 9 times. So it is what? N square value is 9. Now we don't want n square, we want n. So n is equal to, the square will become the square root. So it goes it becomes 9. Square root of 9, you know, it is plus or minus 3. So n we have to take always positive value, so it is 3. So here plus minus 5 also is there, positive value also is there, so you take A option as the right option. Let's solve the next question. If A3 of an AP is 19 and D is 4, then A7 is equal to how much? So now here, first of all, they have given you A3. What is A3? It is 19. So A3 we know how to write, A plus 2D is equal to 19. So to solve this equation, we have to find out A, but D value is given as 4. So D value is given as 4, and we also should find out A7 and A. So to find out A, now what are we going to do is A plus 2D is equal to 19 is your equation. So now here A plus 2 and D value is what? 4 is equal to 19. A plus 2 4s are 8 is equal to 19. So now these are the constant terms. So I bring it to the other side. So 19 minus 8. So that is 19 minus 8. So 19 minus 8 becomes 11. So A value is 11. But now we have to get A7 value. So now what is A7? A7 we can write it as A plus 6D. So A7 is equal to A is what already we found out. It is 11 plus 6. D is what? 4. So A7 is equal to 11 plus 6 4s are 24. So that is equal to 35. So where is 35? A option is the correct answer. Let us do the next sum. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? That means which term you have to find out. Term means it is called as N. Term means always it is N. So if we have to find out N and A is given, D you know how to find it out, and AN is also given, we have to find out N. So which formula you are going to use? The general term formula, because we have got the information given. So AN is 78. So A is 3 plus N we don't know, and D is 5. So 78 is equal to 3 plus 5 into N is 5N, plus into minus is minus, 5 ones are 5. So 78 is equal to 3 minus 5 is minus 2 plus 5N. So 78, if I take this constant value this side, it will become plus 2. So that is equal to 5N. 78 plus 2 is 80 is equal to 5N. So now we have to find out N value, that is 80 divided by 5. That is N is 5 goes in 80 how many times? 16 times. So N is equal to 16. The option D is the correct answer. In the next video, I'll continue doing the higher level of sums. So please do watch. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.